All right, the timeline of this video is really crazy. We're starting here, but we're gonna go into the past later. Okay, so the Civic is gone because, well, you'll see that. Actually, I'll insert that right here. Oh, snap, I see something in the back of here. Are these other wheels for the Corvette?
Right, the
very
back
practical. The backseat delete was not useless. It wasn't useless.
It was actually useful. We would not have gotten those in without them.
My job is to clean, oh, freak, my tripod's in the car and the car's on the trailer being towed back with the windows down in the rain.
Round 7.
It does look a lot better on camera, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, it is a new day now, and apparently this guy has gotten the headlight intake done. Oh my goodness, it's actually a lot cleaner than I thought. Wow. That's a pretty clean install. That's a pretty clean install if I say so much.
Hey.
Alrighty, let's see what we're working with.
Look at that.
Okay. Yeah, that's gonna be like literally right on the intake.
Oh no, it popped out perfectly.
Yeah.
No, the intake. So the turbo doesn't even come with the intake.
It doesn't?
It's just raw right here.
Alrighty, so what's the plan now?
Inside. Let's go inside. We'll get some stuff. We have radiator fans, badges.
We have acquired the new badges.
Yes.
The red SIs because that one video that was a bit of a disaster.
The Sharpie.
That was really bad. It's time to start it. Okay, whether this car explodes or not is in my hands right now because I did all that. Worst case scenario, coolant sprays everywhere. What happened?
Tell me one thing wrong with the engine.
Oh, there's no battery. Yeah. The battery could be dead. I mean, it sat for a little bit. When you touched it the first time, I heard it prime.
That is right. I'm pretty sure that's right. No, that little pop was when it electrocuted me.
It's doing something.
Oh, it says 0 amps.
Oh, okay, so it's dead.
I don't know if I think that's right, yeah. Civic has to go back in the shop.
So that's all that happened with the Civic. So currently it is gone at the shop, the same shop that the Veloster was at, which the Veloster was also broken.
We changed.
Yeah.
We went back to tech because they said it would be faster.
Oh, okay. But y'all don't know what happened to the Veloster, so I'm gonna insert that right here. And so what we're gonna do today is Uber Eats, actually. I gotta pay for this ticket somehow because Chick-fil-A is not cutting it right now. So let's hit the road in the good old Veloster. We have to make a quick pit stop at the Nissan dealer because they've got something special. I'm not sure if you can see it, but oh my goodness. 370Z, man. Oh, that is part of the reason I started doing this Uber Eats stuff, which we're about to go do right now if you haven't got the memo yet. By this time next year, I want to be in one of those really bad. Like really bad, I'm not gonna lie. Guys, this is freaking insane. I was just driving and I ran up on a freaking Diablo. No way. No freaking way. That's a kit car. It's a kit car. That is not a V12, that's a kit car. That is 100% a Fiero or something. Oh my, I knew something was off. All right, we got our first Uber Eats order for $7.56. And of course, it's at a Chick-fil-A, my place of employment, but not my Chick-fil-A, a different one. Alrighty, we are on order number 2. This one, hold on ramp. Gorgeous. This one only guarantees about $4. That's before tip, so hopefully they'll tip. Hopefully. All right, the next order is a good one. We got a $15 one. We're currently stuck on the side of the highway, as you can see, and the car, it will not start. I have court later today because I got caught drifting, and currently I am an hour away from my home, broken down on the side of the road because my alternator decided to give out while I was doing Uber Eats. So how's your guys' day been going? Because mine is going absolutely fabulous right now. Oh my goodness. Okay, the good news is we did make it home, but just to give you an idea of how my day's going right now. Car broke down on the side of the highway because of a simple issue, just an alternator, but I don't have the part, and so we had to get it towed all the way from an hour away from where I live to here. My grandma took me home where I am now immediately getting ready for court because I still have, remember that it was the last video, I don't know, I haven't posted in ages. This is what I get. And now that that's all over, Let's clean up this garage, and it'll be something like. And we're clean. You have no idea the toil that we just had to go through.
Yeah,
My words aren't wording.
This side is really nothing, but this side is really...
Okay, so now we have a whole corner for the Civic over here. And as you can see, the turbo kit is here. This is everything right here. We don't have the Civic, but we have the turbo kit.
I know, it's a start.
It is a start. So the plan is to locate the turbo, but not after a quick sponsored section. But this video is partially sponsored by Auxito, my longtime partner, or like half a year, but they still respond to my texts. Now, if you don't know already, I have Auxito headlights on my car, and as you can tell, I absolutely love these. Not only do they modernize the front of the car, but they are actually bright. Today, we are gonna be installing some new LED brake lights and turn signals. These two Phillip head screws come out, we pop the headlight out, we just twist and pull. Using a towel to unscrew these because from experience, these are quite hot. And it's just easy as popping it out, popping it in over here. And it's the same process for the turn signal down here. These are the turn signal bulbs, and we just slide the headlight back into place. And then it's just the same process on the other side. And now it's time for the final reveal. Those are a lot brighter than before. Now I have to give this disclaimer, I'm not sensationalizing because I love Auxito, but these are awesome. Thank you so much, Auxito, for sending these out, and be sure to use my code Desperado at checkout. That's all caps Desperado for 15% off. Now back to your scheduled content.
This is ASMR.
There it is. I don't want to touch it first.
Oh,
Yo,
my
that is
gosh.
nuts.
That's so good.
Alright, hello.
This video is absolutely all over the freaking place right now, but I just wanted to check in. The Veloster over there sitting real pretty on the side of the road. We got the tints done, so you know that's really nice. But this is the second time it's stranded me over this alternator issue. And it's getting really annoying, I'm not gonna lie. But the problem is we just got this alternator done and it already ate through it. I don't know what's wrong with this car, but I feel like there's some sort of electrical gremlin, and that's something that I can't fix. And even if I can, there's just so much going wrong with this car. I really don't want to get rid of it, but it looks like it's the only option at this point. And this car also was never the end goal. I always wanted a 370Z, and it's looking like I'm going to end up with some little putt-putt wagon, because I know a little putt-putt wagon isn't going to leave me on the side of the road. I was supposed to be at work today making money, but no. I'm sitting here waiting for a tow truck. So it's looking like after all this time, we are gonna have to downgrade so we can upgrade. I wanna be able to pay for a car with my own money and solve my own issues. Because as much as I am deeply, deeply grateful for them, I am tired of taking handouts and having to use my grandma as a lifeline to get out of my problems. The worst part is I knew I felt iffy about taking this car all the way up. I drove like an hour to get the tint done. I should have just gone with my gut and not went, but the thing was, the car literally just got out of the shop, so I figured everything was a-okay. But I mean, obviously, we're like here right now, getting bit up by ants. Things are not okay, so I'm gonna see you guys on the other side.